Follow. Yeah, follow. Mama. She's a goddess, light of the forest. Yes, a skin of fine black leather, which covers her heart. A jewel, maker thou art. A perfect model, a perfect bride. Your beauty echoes my mind away. Her touch, the purest poison of love. Father, let this day last always, for she governs the air I breathe. Her hair, thick like the forest trees. Long live her ambience, long live her innocence. As I bask in the glory of her attitude, she's never vile, I smile. She's my Africa, yes. She's my Africa, yes. She is mine.
You really want to follow. If you really want to follow.
Bury my face under the dirt, now follow my birth. I open views, I shine to see, brother, for what it's worth. Knowledge is power, to the darkest hour follow. Tomorrow never comes, don't be quick to chew and swallow. Savor the moment, like when a woman births a child, like when the blind receives a sight, like when the gospel free the mind, like when the conscience tells it's time. Africa unite, double your might, the time is nigh to carry the light, to free your sons in American nights, Asian nights, European nights, follow. European nights, follow. Asian nights, follow.